Welcome guys, this is Optimal FS. In this video, I want to review to you why you have not been making consistent profits. If you are a beginner and you are making use of 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, I will tell you that you are not going to last in the business. If you have been making use of 5 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, you will get exhausted as far as forex trading is concerned. Why you have not been making consistent profit is somehow linked to your time frame analysis. Why you have not been making consistent profit is somehow linked to time frame analysis. And in this video, I want to reveal to you a secret linked to why you have not been making consistent profit with regard to your time frame analysis. Now, if you are a beginner, you don't have business with 1 minute time frame and you don't have business with 5 minutes time frame. If you are making use of these two time frame, bet me you will not last in the market. You will get exhausted in the market and you will join the group that said that trading is a scam. Now, let me show you what I mean. This is looking at the chart on the screen. This is a 4-hour chart. This is what 4-hour chart. Now, when you look at the screen now, it is very obvious that this is what downward trend. This is what downward trend. It is a clear from this blue line, from this blue vertical line. It is a clear that this is what downward trend. This is what a clear trend, a clear downward trend, and this is what 4-hour time frame. Now I want to reveal to you a secret. There is a secret I want to reveal to you, and this is one of the reasons many get exhausted in the market in the name of trading 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Now in this particular chart on the screen, if you are to enter this trade, you enter sell and you will enjoy the market. Now let me show you some. Let me reveal to you the secret. This is 4-hour time frame. Now this is this line, this blue vertical line is the reference point. Now this is 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Mind you, if you are making use of, making your analysis on 4-hour time frame, this is a clear sell for you, and you will sell and hold the market 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and you are still in profit. Now let's go to 5 minutes time frame, and I will show you why many have not been making consistent profit. They will make 20 trades in a month, 10 trades a day. At the end of the month, they are still in loss. Now, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Now, let's locate that blue vertical line. You know, in 4-hour time frame, it is a clear sell. You will sell and hold and make a lot of profits. Now, this is a 5 minutes time frame. Let's locate that particular blue line. Let's look at it. Let's look at that blue vertical line. There is a secret I want to reveal to you today, so that if you are a beginner, you know what to do and what not to do. Let's look at the blue vertical line. Now look at it. This is the blue vertical line. You know that in 4-hour time frame, what we have is a clear sell. What we have is a clear sell. Now this is a 5 minutes time frame. Now let's see whether we will have a clear sell here. And this is one of the reasons many beginners in forex trading get exhausted, because they want to make their analysis in lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, so that they will be hitting the sell button and the buy button often and often. That is not what makes profit in forex trading. Do you understand? Your profit does not depend on number of times you sell or you buy. Now, this is the blue line. Now, let's move. Look at this. Now, in 4-hour time frame, what we have is a clear sell. But here, look at this. From this blue line, look at this. Here we have a buy. Where we have a uptrend. Now, if you are using 5 minutes and you look at it and say, oh, the market is trending up, let me enter here. Once you enter a few minutes, you will see the market going against you and do what? And hit your stop loss. Now the market is selling, is it not? It is. Now this is another uptrend, this is another sell, this is another uptrend, this is another downtrend, uptrend. And now this is what we call market noise. This is what we call what? Market noises. Now, making your analysis on higher time frame will help remove all these market noises. Do you understand? What cracks down most beginners in forex trading is all these market noises, because they focus on lower time frame. That is reason why most beginners don't last in forex trading. If you are a beginner, you don't have any business with 1 minute time frame. You don't have any business with 5 minutes time frame. Start making your analysis from 1 hour, 4 hour daily. That is really what we focus on. Do you understand? Now, see, it's all this noise. These are called market noises. It will make you will not have a clear view of the market. Do you understand? Making your analysis on higher time frame will help you remove market noises. It will help you understand the market very well, and it will help reduce over trading. Do you understand? Now, this 5 minutes time frame, you see a lot of up movement, down movement, up movement, down movement, ranging, and all this. Do you understand? So if you are assuming you are trading this on 5 minutes time frame, all these noises, most of the time, you have from this blue line to here, you have your trades have hit a lot of stop loss. Do you understand? But someone who is trading on 4-hour time frame, now we are back to 4-hour time frame. Look at this. Just one trade you enter, you leave it, and you make a huge amount of profit. You look at it. All those up movement, down movement, buying, selling, just one trade you need to enter, and the market will move smoothly, and you will see your profit, you will see your money keep on doubling. Do you understand? So if you are a beginner, do away with a minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame. Focus on higher time frame, 4-hour daily. Least is 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? That is only time frame you will make your analysis, and you see yourself lasting in the market and making profit in the market. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. Do you understand? So if you like the video, kindly hit the subscription button, like the video, and share it so that others will benefit. What we do here in Optimal FS, we share profitable strategies free of charge. There is no investment platform from Optimal FS. Do you understand? Thank you.